my cue.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Maleah here.
And Maleah's mommy.
And today we are making glow-in-the-dark slime.
While doing a Q&A.
Let's get them open.
So to make slime, what do you need, Maleah?
You need some.
An Elmer's glow-in-the-dark slime kit,
I
which
want
comes
purple.
with
I want purple.
glue,
We have yellow.
magical liquid,
I want this one. You can have this one. I got purple.
and I got yellow,
And we both got
magical liquid,
magical liquid.
and then you need a bowl for stirring and something to stir it with.
Okay. We're all gonna get set.
So step 1, it says pour all of the glue into the container.
The glue is awesome.
It's glittery.
It's so weird. I just always get it out.
You gotta squeeze it hard.
Oh my gosh. It's so crazy. Guys, which one do you think? Is my purple amazing or is my mommy's amazing? I think they choose it both. I think they choose it both.
How old are you, Marie?
4, guys.
4. Is that your favorite color?
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
I thought you liked pink.
I do like pink and purple.
And purple?
You like pink and purple?
My favorite color is yellow.
So you got yellow.
Yeah.
And I got purple.
The next step is add 2 teaspoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix well. Then add a little bit at a time, about 1 teaspoon's worth. You need to add a little bit first. A little bit.
I'm gonna save the rest.
And then mix it up.
I am frustrated about school.
Are you nervous about school? When do you start school?
Mommy,
Huh?
is this even slime right now? Because it's like, it looks like slime.
You gotta mix it up then. You say you're nervous about school?
Yeah, Mommy, I'm doing
Good
it.
job.
I'm just trying to show my friends.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so
What grade are you going to this year?
kindergarten,
Pre-kindergarten.
pre-kindergarten.
Yeah.
Mom, you want me
Pre-K.
You want me to say that thing?
No, I got it.
I can pour some of it real quick. You can have the rest. I want my whole lot.
Okay, put it in there.
I want a whole lot.
Okay, put it in there.
Yeah!
I'm gonna stir it up.
This is so awesome.
This kind of looks like egg yolk.
That's funny, Mommy. You can't have egg milk when you're making slime. Oh my God. Ew!
Did it get on you?
Yeah. This is looking awesome, Mommy.
It is.
Yeah.
What's your 3 favorite things about YouTube?
my favorite things about YouTube, because when I get glow in the dark slime, I can't wait to glow it. It says glow in the dark slime. See guys, there's a cat on top.
Okay, your favorite thing about YouTube is that you get to make things?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And my favorite part is I can't wait to be an actress.
Oh, you really want to be an actress? People can see you act on YouTube?
Yay!
Okay. Step 3 is to stir the magical liquid until it becomes harder to mix and the slime begins to form. So we are still stirring, guys.
I need to stir. I want to stir like a slime. You can be fast. I don't want to be fast because I don't want to get that magical liquid on me or under the glow in the dark. And that would be awesome so I could get some.
What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is make glow in the dark slime.
No, like, what else do you like to do? You like to dance and sing, don't you?
Yeah.
Can you sing us a song? A new fantastic. Is that your favorite song?
Mom? Is this slime right now? Because it's not stretching. Yeah, it looks like slime. Mine's really. Guys, this is looking crazy. My mom is better, but mine is good.
Step 4 says take the slime out and begin kneading with both hands. What's your favorite movie?
Onward.
Huh? Onward? That was a really good movie. Maleah, how did you know you wanted to be an actress when you grew up?
I really wanted to be on TV.
You did?
Yes.
You know how I knew you were gonna be a good actress?
Yes.
Because when you were so little, you used to memorize the whole movie of whatever it was and act it out. Slime all finished, and now I think we can go and take it to the bathroom and see
if it glows.
if it glows.
Let's go, Mommy. Oh, it's glowing.
It is glowing.
Mine is
Super cool. Let's see yours. Yours kind of looks like blue instead of purple. Mine kind of looks green.
It does.
This is so cool. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, to our glow-in-the-dark Q&A video. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a
huge thumbs up.
bye.